Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Oceanfront Builders channel. We're thrilled to have you join us. If you're new here, we're a construction company specializing in remodeling and new construction in Southern California, serving Los Angeles and Orange counties. We're passionate about sharing our expertise to help you navigate the often complex world of construction. Today, we're tackling a topic that is absolutely crucial to a successful construction project, whether it's a small remodel or a large-scale build detailed contracts. A well-written contract is your shield against misunderstandings, disputes, and costly mistakes. It sets clear expectations for everyone involved and provides a framework for a smooth and successful project. Without a solid contract, you're essentially building on sand. In this video, we'll explore why detailed contracts are so important, what essential elements they should include, and how they can protect your interests as a homeowner or property owner. We'll also share some real-world examples of what can happen when contracts are vague or incomplete. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to ensure your construction projects are built on a foundation of clarity and trust. Before we get started, please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable construction insights. Your support helps us keep bringing you content that empowers you to make informed decisions. Why are detailed contracts so important in construction? Simply put, construction projects are complex. They involve numerous parties, intricate timelines, and a significant amount of money. Without a clearly defined agreement, it's easy for misunderstandings to arise, leading to disputes, delays, and cost overruns. Think of a contract as a roadmap for your project. It outlines every step of the journey, from the initial planning stages to the final inspection. It defines the roles and responsibilities of each party, specifies the materials to be used, sets the payment schedule, and addresses potential issues that may arise along the way. A detailed contract leaves no room for ambiguity, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Here are some of the key benefits of having a detailed contract. Clear communication. A detailed contract ensures everyone understands the project scope, timeline, and budget. Protection of interests. It protects your interests as a homeowner by outlining your rights and responsibilities. If you aren't being represented by a strong contract, your assets are at risk. Avoidance of disputes. It minimizes the risk of disputes by clearly defining expectations and procedures. Payment clarity. It establishes a clear payment schedule and process for change orders. Quality control. It specifies the quality of materials and workmanship expected. Legal protection. It provides a legal framework for resolving any issues that may arise. Timeline management sets dates to which the contract is bound. Let's look at a real-world example. Imagine a homeowner hires a contractor to remodel their bathroom. The contract is vague, only stating remodel bathroom with a total price. No specific materials, fixtures, or timeline are mentioned. The homeowner expects a high-end remodel with marble tiles and designer fixtures. The contractor, on the other hand, uses basic ceramic tiles and standard fixtures to keep costs down. This results in a major dispute, with the homeowner feeling cheated and the contractor claiming they fulfilled their contractual obligation. This scenario could have been easily avoided with a more detailed contract. So, what are the essential elements that should be included in a detailed construction contract? Here are some key provisions to look for. Project scope. A clear and comprehensive description of the work to be performed, including specific tasks, materials, and finishes. This section should be as detailed as possible, leaving no room for interpretation. Project timeline. A realistic timeline for completing the project, including start and end dates, as well as milestones for key tasks. Total contract price. The total cost of the project, including labor, materials, and any other expenses. Payment schedule. A detailed payment schedule outlining when payments are due and the amount of each payment. This often ties into the timeline milestones. Change orders. A clear process for handling change orders, including how they will be documented, priced, and approved. Allowances. If specific materials or fixtures haven't been selected, the contract should include allowances, which are estimated amounts set aside for those items. It's so easy to underestimate how important all these factors are. Insurance, proof of liability insurance, and workers' compensation insurance from the contractor. Dispute resolution. A process for resolving disputes such as mediation or arbitration. Warranty. A warranty on the materials and workmanship. Termination clause. Conditions under which the contract can be terminated by either party. Lien, releases. a requirement for the contractor to provide lien releases from subcontractors and suppliers to protect you from potential liens on your property. Let's dive deeper into some of these essential elements. The project scope is the heart of the contract. It should clearly define every aspect of the work to be performed. For example, instead of simply stating remodel kitchen, it should specify remove existing cabinets, install new kitchen cabinets, brand X, model Y, with soft close hinges, install granite countertops, color A, edge B, install stainless steel sink, size C, with pull-down faucet, brand D, model E. The more detail, the better. Change orders are inevitable in most construction projects. A change order is a written document that outlines any changes to the original scope of work, timeline, or budget. It's crucial to have a clear process for handling change orders to avoid disputes and ensure everyone is on the same page. The change order should include a detailed description of the change, the reason for the change, the impact on the timeline, and the impact on the budget. Both parties should sign and approve the change order before any work is performed. It's highly recommended that you have a qualified attorney review your construction contract before you sign it. An attorney can help you identify any potential red flags or loopholes in the contract and ensure that your interests are protected. While it may seem like an added expense, the cost of an attorney is minimal compared to the potential costs of a poorly written contract. An attorney can also explain the legal implications of the contract in plain language, so you fully understand your rights and obligations. They can also negotiate specific terms and conditions with the contractor to better protect your interests. It is important to be sure the team represents your goals. Here's another real-world example. A homeowner hired a contractor to build an addition to their home. The contract was poorly written with vague language and missing key provisions. During the project, numerous disputes arose between the homeowner and the contractor, leading to delays, cost overruns, and ultimately, a lawsuit. The homeowner ended up losing thousands of dollars because the contract didn't adequately protect their interests. Here are some practical tips for ensuring your construction contract is as detailed and comprehensive as possible. Ask questions. Don't hesitate to ask the contractor questions about anything you don't understand in the contract. Use clear language. Make sure the contract is written in plain language that is easy to understand. Be specific. Provide as much detail as possible about the project scope, materials, and timeline. Review carefully. Review the contract carefully before signing it. Seek legal advice. Have a qualified attorney review the contract before signing it. At Oceanfront Builders, we understand the importance of detailed contracts. We always provide our clients with clear, comprehensive contracts that protect their interests and ensure a smooth and successful project. If you're planning a construction project in Southern California, serving Los Angeles and Orange counties, we encourage you to contact us for a consultation. We're here to help you navigate the complexities of construction and build your dreams on a solid foundation. Call us today at 888-336-8586 or visit our website at oceanfrontbuilders.com. In conclusion, a detailed contract is not just a piece of paper, it's your protection for a successful construction project. It's a vital tool that ensures clear communication, protects your interests, and minimizes the risk of disputes. By taking the time to create a well-written contract, you can set the stage for a positive and rewarding construction experience. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable construction insights. We appreciate your support. Thanks for watching.